It was a very lively show that we had today, Silent Echo. When we are talking about medicine, we are unable to conquer all the diseases. One such example in past few years is our COVID. कोविड जेन्ना पळय आयलो आमच्या हांगाचेर तेन्ना आमकां कळ्ळें की तूं जरी तरी दिसता की एक मेडिकल पर्सन आय एम अ डॉक्टर आय नो माय सेल्फ वी थिंक दॅट वी कॅन कॉन्कर द वर्ल्ड वी कॅन कॉन्कर एनी डिजीज इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल एंड दॅट इज वॉट वी हॅव सीन ड्युरिंग द टायम ऑफ कोविड द नंबर ऑफ डेथ्स एंड इट वॉज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस टू हँडल सच केसीस. Here, this particular drama, Silent Echo, was on a life of a child and a family. पूण हातून भितर जे पळय एक होप, एक विश्वास, तसोच एक faith in our religion is something very important, and I think that is a must for every family to have it. I would recommend this drama to go to every catechist, because if they want to teach what religion is, this drama will explain simply to the people what a meaningful life one can have when it comes to a family, when it comes to Jesus bringing into our life, at the same time how it can be very meaningful when we want to conquer diseases and having that hope and faith into us. ह्या ड्रामाचे भायर जे पळय बारीक बारीक पळय सायड शो पळय आशिल्ले तेवूय बीन व्हेरी मिनींगफूल आशिल्ले, वेदर इट वॉज ऑन एड्युकेशन, whether it was on home for the aged where the parents are being finally put in, how meaningful it is for us to take care of our own parents. Maybe our culture is different over here, culture abroad is different, but we are catching up very fast with the culture of what is happening in the Western world. That meaningful life also was being brought over here for people to understand what a journey of a family could be. We all talk about, I myself am teaching in people for CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, and that's where we always say when the heartbeat is not there and 10 minutes lapse by, the brain is dead because of hypoxia. Hypoxia म्हणजे ब्रेनिंग ऑक्सिजन गरजेचो. ब्रेनिंग जर 4 ते 6 मिनटां ऑक्सिजन मेळना, we have to start resuscitating. But the hope that has kept this child alive, where you resuscitate and resuscitate and resuscitate, and finally the love that you feel when you're in the womb of the mother, it comes back again, the life regenerates all over again, and that is what was being brought up so saliently well. I would recommend anybody and everybody to look into that. That will, make our faith in God more stronger, whichever God that we believe in, but it will make it more stronger for all of us.
I want you all to please come and watch the Tiatr. We have made a movie also on the Silent Echo. We have come up with the book also, Silent Echo. And now we have come up with the Tiatr. It's a true story, a true family story, how we have gone through and we are still going through. Okay, but by the blessings of God and by the grace of God, my son is a lot better now. And today he's 16 years old. I went through a lot, like whenever I had to go to Bangalore, and Dr. Johnson DeCosta was a big help for me, that it is he who told me go to Bangalore. So the first time when I was going, I didn't know anything about Bangalore. I just took my 3 kids and I went to Bangalore. So the other 2 also, but I just got down from the bus. I got a good driver who put me to the hotel, and from then on my journey started. I got good doctors. That doctor, like almost 1 to 3 years, it went only for like trying to find out what is the problem with him and all that. Then from then on, he gave me like whatever doctors today they are checking on him. So all were given by the heart specialist. So for his eyes and everything. For his heart and all that.
Okay. Now, what problem is facing?
He's got problem with the heart. So as he's talking, walking, suddenly the heart stops. So within that certain seconds, if it doesn't start, so that is the time he falls. Then we know it is an attack. So once they operated and put the loop recorder in him. So every time I took him to Bangalore and they put him on the machinery, we would come to know what time, how many minutes the attack was, everything we used to come to know. But once it was removed, then again like it was a little, after 5 years they got it out. But now it becomes like just seeing his face, I know, okay, something is wrong with him. Because day and night I am with him. So now he's a little better, he can walk, he goes to play hockey, he can go out in the sun, go to play. Earlier he couldn't play nothing, and he is on medication now.
सायलंट एको म्हणून एक ड्रामा चोवपा आयलो म्हणजे फ्रेंडान म्हाका रेकमेंड केलो म्हणून सो म्हणटरीत हांव जायते पण तियात्र येयलो कित्याक म्हगे बायलेक तियात्र लागले न्हू पूण इतलो ड्रामा सारको म्हाका लायक जालो. इट इज अ ड्रामा विच इज बेस्ड ऑन अ ट्रू स्टोरी ऑफ अ चायल्ड फ्रॉम माडेल मारगांव. स्टोरी सारकी इतुली सारकी हार्ट टचिंग means it shows that how the family is so supportive of the full family. तेगे पयलीं दोग जाण चेड आसताय मागीर आनी एक चेड जाता. डॉक्टर्स सांगताय that he is not breathing and he doesn't have life, but the mother has so much of faith in God and the family, and that is what actually revives the child, and the child is still living today. I would actually recommend this drama to be seen by everybody in the world. आनी तितूंकूय तें आमगेलें क्रिस्तांव धर्माचें पण इतलें बरें भाशेन दाखयलां. एक फॅमिली सारकी इट इज सो वेरी मच अटॅच टू इच अदर, कीपिंग गॉड इन द सेंटर ऑफ इट. I would definitely recommend, and I really would love to everyone to see this drama.
Hi, I'm Shannon Stanley Fernandez, and this Tiatr is based on my life story. It's been hard having a disease like this and also trying to be normal, but it's also kind of fun. You get to learn new things about yourself, and and for the treatment I got to go to different places also, thanks to this. And I've had 2 operations which went very well, and this entire Tiatr is based on how I've lived a happy life and the troubles my family took to get me into this life also. And I would love if you all come and try and watch this Tiatr, and you will love it a lot. My mom and dad have gone through a lot during my time, and dad used to mostly be on the ship trying to earn money so that he could pay for my treatments and all, and mom used to always run with me to all the hospitals and to Bangalore, so it used to be very hard for her. And dad also used to keep calling and asking like how I am, how the treatments are going. They have been very helpful, very supportive. Even though I had such a problem, I had asked them if I could go for skating, which I still love a lot. And they supported me fully. They told me that you can go, and if anything happens, we can see later. So they have been very supportive and very helpful and also very good.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.